How to use virtual credit card on Capital One Bank. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you on how to use a virtual credit card on Capital One. So it's a simple and a quick process. So to begin, download the latest version of the Capital One mobile app if you're using a mobile phone and sign in using your credentials. Once inside the app, you'll have the access to all of your accounts and credit cards. Here you can find the virtual card number, security code, expiration date, and other details needed for the online or in-store purchases. To view the virtual card details, log into your account and tap on the specific card you want to use. For most cards, the virtual number will be at the bottom of the screen when you scroll down. However, for the cards like the Venture card, it may be located at the top. Look for the option to view the virtual card details by tapping on any credit card, and all the necessary details will be instantly available to you. You may also find additional options like adding it to the Amazon or linking it to a digital wallet. Once you see the card details, you can use it for the online purchases. Whenever you choose a credit card as a payment method, you can repeat this process with the multiple credit cards on the Capital One. The card details will always be accessible in the card details window when you sign into your account. If you encounter any issues, ensure that the card is properly linked to your account, and if you still can't see it, contact the customer support for the assistance. I hope this guide on using a virtual credit card on Capital One has been helpful. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.